Point the steam wand vertically down and cover the nozzle completely with a heat-resistant wiping cloth. Press and hold down the back button. Then press the start button to begin purge. Do not remove the heat-resistant wiping cloth while steam is being applied to avoid getting scalded. We recommend descaling the Morning Dream once a month with descaling products. Place a large container under the steam wand. On your machine dial, hold the back and confirm buttons at the same time. Select Maintenance by using the slider and press the Confirm button. Once you have filled the water tank with 500 milliliters of water and added your descaling solution or powder, press Confirm. When the descaling is completed, refill the water tank to the max line with water. Press Confirm and start the rinse cycle. The machine will prompt you when descaling is complete.